name is Meher. So he was telling us that he has a king cobra, pet king cobra. That's what he's exactly telling us. Life in Dhaka can get super exhausting with its constant hustle and bustle. To tell you the truth, we were in desperate need of a change. Then we thought we could go a bit close to the nature where we may get some fresh air. So guys, let's see if we can experience closeness to nature through this trip.
Love me and don't let go. Some things are better slow. I don't usually feel.
In this episode, we are going to spend some time with the nomadic population of Bangladesh. This community is mostly known as Bede or Manta. They're also known as water gypsies as they essentially live, travel and earn their living on the river.
Okay, we'll never change. Oh, tell me, could this be forever? Never, forever, never, forever, never. Oh, tell me, could this be forever? Never, forever, never, forever, never. Oh, tell me, could this be forever?
Good morning everyone from Dhaka, Bangladesh once again. Today we have arrived in a small town near Dhaka city which is known as Savar.
In this town, there is a small neighborhood which is known as Bede. Bede community claims this small neighborhood as their capital. By the way, I was told they have entered this region in the 17th century with their king Bellal Raja on the waterways from the present-day Myanmar. We actually came here to know about the lifestyle of this nomadic Bede community. Before we went out on this trip, we made a proper checklist. But guess what? The weather forecast was left out. We all know life is unpredictable. Sometimes things do not work out the way we plan. There are times when nature interferes in our daily life, and in most cases, that gives us a chance to experience something unbelievably awesome.
As soon as we arrived in this small village of this nomadic population, a huge rainfall started. So we sort of take shelter in this tiny tea stall. The owner of this tea stall, his name is Meher. So he was telling us that he has a king cobra, pet king cobra. That's what he's exactly telling us. So he's gonna be showing us that king cobra right now. So this is the guy and he's gonna be showing us that snake. So it's very dangerous, king cobra. So let's just go ahead and experience this snake right away.
I just forgot to mention these people are also known as snake charmers. I can't imagine what would it feel like to charm the snakes. But one thing I know for sure, it takes a lot of courage or guts to be a snake charmer. As far as I know, king cobra looks much bigger than this regular sized cobra. Anyways, maybe we can get into this debate some other time. But I'm very thankful to this gentleman for entertaining us by bringing the snake to his tea stall. Today I have witnessed so many mesmerizing things of nature. But having said that, I sincerely want to mention that these people are constantly fighting against nature as well as our society just for basic survival.
I'm so thrilled and excited to see their lifestyle. But if I had to survive like them on a daily basis, but I'm really not sure if that is gonna be a pleasant experience for me. Anyways, due to this sudden storm, we had no option but to change our plan. But soon we'll revisit here and together we'll have loads of fun. I'd like to give you guys a huge thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get our latest updates. And till then, you guys stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. Tada.